Hey everyone! Today, I am going to tell you some easy ways to make money during your study. By following these, you can earn a good amount of money. First of all, go to the ChatGPT website. Now here, click on the search bar and type how to make money as a student. Now it will show you some ideas that help you make some extra income. So first, you can start a part-time job like tuition, being a library assistant, or working at a campus bookstore. Furthermore, if you are good at writing or graphic design, you can start freelancing on websites such as Upwork or Fiverr. And if you are good at making art or crafts, you can use this skill to make money. Now, let us find more ways to make money for students. So the next platform is Steps, where you have the opportunity to earn money. This online platform offers translation services in 100 plus languages to clients worldwide. For example, if you have a document, text, or a file to translate with Steps, you can easily convert it from your input to the desired output, not by any automated machine, but by humans. Now, if you want to translate something, just click on the Get Started button here. After that, you will be taken to this page. Here, complete the following information, like the language you want to translate from English to your desired language. After that, click on the Go button at the bottom. Now, move on to the next website. So our next website is Fiverr. You can easily access its website at fiverr.com. Fiverr is a platform where freelancers present their skills and individuals or companies can discover and hire them for various projects. On Fiverr, you will find popular services that can help you earn money online. For example, on Fiverr, you can offer services like website development, logo design, SEO, and more to earn money. Now search for a content writer on Fiverr. Here, you will find the results for a content writer. You can also create your account to provide your services. Now on the top, you have some suggestions to start working as article writing, data entry, blog writing, and several other skills that you can provide on Fiverr to make your own money. Now, let us check out the results of essay writing. Here are the freelancers providing their essay writing services. And as you can see, they have received 5-star reviews on their profiles. So this is how you can earn money online by offering your skills on Fiverr. Now, let us move on to our next website, which is Etsy. You can easily visit its website at etsy.com. Forget the textbooks. Our lesson today is all about turning clicks into cash and assignments into allowances. So the one way to make money on Etsy is by simply listing products that you believe will have good sales. Furthermore, you can also go to ChatGPT and search for the top selling products on Etsy. Now this will show you the popular and most successful products that are trending on Etsy. So on Etsy, you can sell handmade jewelry like bracelets or earrings. You can also make sales on Etsy by offering different home decor items like wall art and other unique products. Now let us search for the printable art on the Etsy search bar, and this will show you the unique printable art picks with the best discounts available. Now scroll down and see more results. After that, navigate to the Etsy search bar and type books. Now this will show you the digital and portrait reading journals with discounts. So this is how you can make money on Etsy by selling your products. Next, let us check out the next website, which is study.com. On this site, you have the opportunity to start tutoring subjects such as math, science, business, and humanities. Moreover, you have the option to teach resources and curriculum and provide skills practice. Furthermore, you can get better grades easily with expert videos and step-by-step homework help. Moreover, you can save on tuition and graduate faster by earning low-cost college credits that you can transfer to your preferred school. After that, now go to the top and check out the courses here. Now here, on courses, you have 2 categories, such as by subjects or by educational level. And now, let us explore the computer science category. Here, you have a couple of lessons that you can view. So just click on any of them, and here you will discover more details about the computer science section. These are a few websites that provide opportunities for earning money. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.